I don't know if I mentioned earlier, a lot of people don't even realize this is possible. I was recently speaking at a conference in Vietnam specifically on this topic, is how to make money on Facebook and YouTube. And I just asked people to raise their hands, like, how many people have a Facebook page, how many people have a YouTube channel. And it was a very small number of people that raised their hands. And I would say the vast majority of people don't even know that you can make money on Facebook. So that's one of the reasons that I launched this community. It's called Facebook Income Blueprint. I would recommend joining this, especially if you've got over 10,000 followers. I'm specifically looking for people who are already qualified to get monetized. But if you don't have 10,000 followers yet, then there's ways to get monetized as well. And basically, you can just click on Get Access. You can sign up for 1 week for free. Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to take you through how I am generating income every single month through my Facebook page. So I've got my profile pulled up here. This is my main Facebook page, Mike Abroad. And as you can see, I've got about 160,000 followers on here. It's growing really, really fast month over month. And essentially what I'm doing on this page is I'm just posting content consistently over years. So pretty much every day, almost, I will put up a new post on my page, just showing off the lifestyle, showing around the island where I live. I make posts like this as well, which basically you just get paid performance bonuses based on how many people your post is reaching. And I also create a lot of reels, basically just showing around Samui, and live videos from time to time as well. So you're welcome to check out my Facebook page. This video right here actually has about 120,000 views, and it's really simple. I'm basically just eating a pad krapao at a local restaurant. It's got 120,000 views. And as you can imagine, Facebook pays out based on the ads that are running on these videos. So essentially, once you have 10,000 followers and 600,000 watch hours on your Facebook page, you can turn on the various monetization features, which I'm not going to show you how to do in this video. You'll have to join my paid community, which I'll include a link to in the description, and I'll also show you it at the end of this video as well. So keep watching if you're interested to learn more. And yeah, so this is basically what I'm doing on the Facebook page. And then I also have my own personal profile as well. If you want to give me a follow on Facebook, by all means, feel free to do so. I've got about 40,000 followers on here. So between the page and the profile, 200,000 total followers. And this one is also monetized as well. So just recently got Meta verified again, which means I have the blue check mark. And that costs around $12 a month to get Meta verified. And the nice thing about that is you can easily get in touch with customer support, and there's other advantages to getting Meta verified as well, because I'm trying to figure out a payout issue right now. I'm not getting the payouts that I'm owed. So that's basically why I got Meta verified. But as you can see, I've got about 1.2 million views on the profile. And there's my reach, content interaction, new follows. That's just the profile. And that one is also monetized as well. So if I come down to payouts here, so this is 1 month, $343 on the page. Actually, that's since March 31st, because I haven't, this is about 1 month of payouts. That's just on the profile. But I'm having an issue with something like my payout account or taxes or something like that. So that's why I've had to get in touch with customer support to actually receive these payouts. But they should come in any day now. And, that's a pretty decent amount to be making in a single month, especially for living over here in Thailand. The cost of living is a lot lower. That's basically enough to pay my rent in 1 month. So yeah, nothing to sneeze at. And I'm also going to come over to my business page here. So this is the Meta Business Suite. I'll show you what this is looking like as well. So in the past month, I've got about 4,200 new followers, and that's just by posting organic content, right? I don't spend a single dime on Facebook ads. It's all just by posting content that gets a ton of engagement. I'm able to grow my followers pretty quickly. And here's my reach. So 5 million people reached in a single month. And it also shows from followers and non-followers. So the majority of that is coming from non-followers, which is exactly what I want, because I want people that are not already following me to see my content and start following my page. And that's up about 420% from the previous month. So that's definitely good news. You mostly want to focus on your content showing to non-followers, and the Facebook algorithm will pretty much do that for you. You really don't have much control over it. And it also shows conversions up here. I'm not exactly sure how to track this. Basically leads and all that stuff. And I have set up an automated AI chatbot on my page as well. So that's why my conversations number is really high, because it's just basically sending DMs on my behalf 24/7. I don't really have to do anything. It also auto comments on posts as well, because as you can imagine, with my number of followers, I get a lot of comments every single day, and it doesn't really make sense for me to go through and manually respond to them. Just random people that I don't even know, right? So I basically just automated that using the chatbot, and I use SendPulse for that. So if you want to sign up for SendPulse, you can start with a free trial, and then they offer different plans based on how many subscribers you have. So I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to sign up for SendPulse. I think I spend like $50 a month for the chatbot, which is totally worth it. And then I'll also come down to results here, and you can see here I've got about 11 million views on the page. That's up 300% from the previous month, so really, really good this month. And there's my reach, 5 million people reached. That's up 400% from the previous month. I did have a video that went viral early last month, so that was March, like about a month ago. I posted a video that went viral, so that got about 3 million views in a single day. And then it dropped down to about 622,000. But on average, I'm getting about anywhere from about 100,000 to 600,000 views in a single day, each day on my page, which is way better than I'm doing on my Facebook page. I mean, on my YouTube channel, sorry. It's way, way more, because I have a lot more followers on the Facebook page, keep in mind. And there's my follows in a single month. And then also the number of visits. Those are people that are actually going to and checking out my Facebook page, which is helpful because when they go to my Facebook page, they now have the option to contact me on WhatsApp. So I've just recently changed this button to the WhatsApp button, and I'm starting to get messages through WhatsApp, people reaching out to me that want to make a move to Thailand, these sorts of things. And they can also check out the link in my bio, which is my WAP page. That's essentially the paid community that I've started, showing people how to generate income on Facebook. Because I don't know if I mentioned earlier, a lot of people don't even realize this is possible. I was recently speaking at a conference in Vietnam, specifically on this topic, is how to make money on Facebook and YouTube. And I just asked people to raise their hands, like, how many people have a Facebook page, how many people have a YouTube channel. And it was a very small number of people that raised their hands. And I would say the vast majority of people don't even know that you can make money on Facebook. So that's one of the reasons that I launched this community. It's called Facebook Income Blueprint. And I just launched it a few days ago. So here it is. This is the community right here. So basically, I've just got the sales video at the top, and it's specifically on how to monetize your audience on Facebook. You'll get a step-by-step strategies to start earning income directly from Facebook every month, even with a small audience. So there's a link in the description below where you can sign up for Facebook Income Blueprint. I offer 1 week for free, and then it's $59 a month for 3 months. You have to sign up for 3 months because chances are you're going to need a couple months in order to actually start getting monetized on your Facebook page. Because like I said earlier, you will need 10,000 followers and 600,000 watch hours to turn on a lot of the monetization features. In fact, I was just talking with a guy on Facebook a couple of days ago, and he's getting like 20 million views a month on his Facebook page, and he's making $0 because he hasn't been able to turn on the monetization features. So for him, I recommended just getting Meta verified so that he could get in touch with someone at customer support, and then he can just get this resolved, I would think, relatively quickly, because he's got 40,000 followers on his profile. So there's no reason why he shouldn't be monetized. And then I also sent him over the link to join my paid community as well. I would recommend joining this, especially if you've got over 10,000 followers. I'm specifically looking for people who are already qualified to get monetized. But if you don't have 10,000 followers yet, then there's ways to get monetized as well. And basically, you can just click on Get Access. You can sign up for 1 week for free. I also offer a 10% discount as well if you want the promo code. that will also pop up on the page if you're watching my video as well. So yeah, you're more than welcome to join the community. I'm looking to get more people in here. So far, I only have one person who's joined, but like I say, I just started this a couple days ago. So I want to start growing this paid community. You're welcome to check it out. And with that being said, best of luck getting monetized on Facebook. If you have any questions at all, post them in the comments below. Look forward to hearing from you, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Signing off. Peace from Thailand. See you in the next one.